Hello everyone, welcome to UiBrains and this is Naveen. In this video, we are going to discuss about the JavaScript built-in object called date. So we use date object to get some date-related operations, and you want to get a date, month, years, milliseconds, and a lot of other information. So let's have a look what is date object in JavaScript. So let me just copy the first folder. I'll just paste it. I'll change this to 11 underscore js underscore date object, and let's modify this date object, and this is also the date object. Fine, so let me open this in a browser. So refresh date object, so inspect and console. Yep, ready. So first of all, what is date object creation here? So you will get uh, current. Let's take date objects. I want to see the what is date object here. How to create a data object is let date is equal to new data. So you must have to create an object like this using new keyword, and you can just say console.log of data. So you will get the whole date object. This is actually a complete date object. Okay, fine. And then I want to get a proper date. So let's take a proper date. I don't want to print date in this way. I want to give a date in a proper way. So you can use let current date is equal to new date. There's a function called to locale date string. The local date string will come in a proper format. You can just say console.log of current date. So you get the current date. It is April 22nd and 2020 is the date. Next, if you want to get the proper time, so let's current time is equal to new date dot to locale time string. You can do, let's say console.log of current time. If I say this, see, this is the current time, which is 11:24:53 a.m. Okay, uh, here we have to understand very closely what is that is locale date, locale time. What is locale date is the locale specific, because every country will have its own locale. So if I'm running in India, so I get Indian time and Indian dates. But if you execute the same program in the US, you get the US time and US dates. But I want, even though I'm running in India, but I want to get the US date now. How to access the US date from India, or from US, how to access the Indian date. Okay, so different locales date I want is, you have to provide set of other options. You have to provide a different locales time zone. So let's see how to access the USA time in Indian region. So see here, USA time. So I write here, let's time zone is equal to, you have to provide, sorry, it's actually options. What option I going to provide is time zone. Time zone, what is time zone is, I'm going to use America slash New York. Okay, I want to get the New York time. So this is actually the official name. You can just search in Google what is the time zone for your country, because it's case sensitive. You must give a same name as it is, like this, to get the New York time, and every country will have a different. So I got New York, and let's USA date is equal to get the USA date. You can just say new date dot to locale date string. Here you have to pass en minus us, so English and US format, and comma options. You have to provide these options, and just say console.log of USA date. So you get the answer. This is USA date. So Indian date, US date, both are same, because 11 o'clock, right? If you see the time, I want to get the US time, so USA time. So let options again because I have already options. Let's make option same here, and let's USA time is equal to new date dot to locale time string. You have to provide again first parameter en minus us locale and options. Finally, let's say the console dot log of USA time. So US time is it's morning 1:57 a.m. Okay, so in the night it is 1:57 a.m. For us it is 11:27 a.m. Okay, so fine. So this is how you get the US time, and same like this, any country you want to get it, you can just provide some different time zones. You can just search about Google for which time zone you belongs to in your country. Okay, fine. Along with this, I want to get today. So what is today? So today is actually a Wednesday. So how to get Wednesday in the console? You can use using let's today is equal to new date dot get day. If I say get a day, so console dot log of today. If I say console dot log of today, you will get 3 as a number. Okay, um, because we don't have any Monday, Tuesday in JavaScript, we just have numbers. It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 starts from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and 3 is Wednesday. You got 3 as a Wednesday. If you want to display a proper day, you can use the switch statements. I think we have already done the switch statements and conditional statements. I have .js, yes, switch, same example. Let me copy as it is. I think that day we got some Monday. I'll paste it here. So you can just make, you get the day, and that day you will, I mean, you can just make it as 0 is Sunday, 1 is Monday. You'll write like this. So you will get today as Wednesday. Okay, so this how you're gonna write the day. Okay, and you wanna get the month also. I tell you, month. You wanna get the current month. So month also starts from 0. So if I say console dot, okay, let's take like this. Let's current month is equal to new date dot get month. If I say get months, if I just say console dot log of current month. So if I say current month, you actually get 3 because it starts from 0 again. So 0 is January, 1 is for February, um, 2 and 3 is for April. But if you want to get a proper data in your own format, I want to use slashes or see, actually here we got slash, but if you want to give your own format, you can get use of these type of functions, and you can use any of string concatenation to make either this slash or any other slashes. So I just tell you in a different format how to get the dates today. So custom date, how to get is let's day is equal to, I want to get the date, um, not current date, let's say custom date c underscore date is equal to new date dot get date. So here, and then let's see underscore month is equal to new date dot get month, and then let's see underscore year is equal to new date dot get full year. You get the 4 digits year. So then let's make a console dot log of. You can use the backtick and c underscore date and c c underscore months and C underscore year. You're going to write in this way, you get like this, but actually the 3 is starts from 0, so you can make it as month plus 1 you take, because you get a proper month. So I want to write like this. So 22nd, or else you can just make a minus. Yeah. So if you don't want to give a gap, you just remove the gaps here like this. So you get in this format, and copy that and paste again. You want to dots, let's make here dots, here also dots. So in this format, or else you can do a slash, this slash, and here slash. You get in this format. So however you wanted, you will get date in that format using these predefined functions of date. Okay, so this is about data object, and we have other functions of data object, and you can see the complete functions of data object in official documentation of JavaScript. Okay, so that's it. So enough for this video. In the next video we'll see the number and string objects and JSON objects. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.